Hey guys, welcome to the channel Label's Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make an amazing hair treatment using aloe vera gel and okra. So let's jump right into it. Here I'm removing the peel from the aloe vera. So I'm not going to use the peel, I'm using the clear parts. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E, and all these play a part in healthy hair follicles. Aloe vera has enzymes and it breaks down fats. It also strips your hair from any excess oil, and it also protects your hair from UV damage. I placed chunks of the aloe vera in the blender and allowed it to blend for a few minutes. Now I am straining it through my stocking cap. Do not skip this part. This part is very important to prevent particles from being stuck in your hair. Moving on to my next ingredient, and this is okra. Okra is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and has calcium, potassium, and lots of other nutrients that are great for your hair growth, moisturizing a dry scalp, and getting rid of dandruff. Here I sliced the okra in small pieces and I'm going to put it in the pot. I'm going to allow it to boil for about 5 minutes on low flame. After it's finished, you get that thick consistency. I poured it in the blender, guys. Allow yours to cool. Then I get my stocking cap. Do not skip this part. Get your stocking cap or your cheesecloth and sieve it through. Now I poured the okra juice in a container along with the aloe vera gel and blend the two together. Then I put it in my applicator bottle for an easier application. So I'll be applying it to the hair using my applicator bottle. I applied some at this section already, and you can see the slip. The hair is just slippery and the curls are well defined. Entire hair has been washed. I washed her hair, shampoo, conditioned it before, and now I am applying the mixture. And I am making sure that I apply a generous amount, making sure that your hair is well saturated with the mixture. This combination helps to condition your hair, prevent UV damage, and relieve scalp irritation. Plus, it also has a gel-like consistency. When I used this treatment in our hair, I realized that our hair look shinier and blacker. Overall, it just makes your hair healthier. To get this mixture out, all I am going to do is wash her hair with just water because I have already shampooed and conditioned her hair. So I am just going to use water to take it out. But if you're not comfortable with using water alone, then you can condition your hair after. So here I'm applying the mixture. Next I am going to cover her hair and allow the mixture to sit on it for 45 minutes. To watch more videos like these, just click on the end screen or go in the description box or click on the icon with my face and you will be in my channel. Thanks for watching. Walk good.